everybody, and thank you for stopping by my channel. It's beautiful Black Rican, where beauty is ageless. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please subscribe, okay? We really would love for you to be a part of our family. And if you've been here before, thank you for coming back. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll know when my next video uploads. Now everybody, this is my grandson Jordan. Hello to everybody, Jordan. Oh, you can't talk now? Hey, hey, hey. Alright, today we're going to talk about BoxyCharm. Yay! Alright, if you don't know about BoxyCharm, BoxyCharm is a monthly beauty subscription for $21 a month plus tax, okay? And it has 4 to 5 full-size products in every box, always over $100. So I really feel like you can't beat that. This is a great box to get monthly. In every BoxyCharm there is a theme. This one is called All Access. Boom. And on the back of every card is all of the information about each product. So let's go. Alright, my helper is going to hold up the products, you guys. This is Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. It says it's a hydrating recovery sleeping mask that balances skin's naturally occurring flora and locks in moisture overnight to reduce redness and soothe the signs of irritation. This retails for $52. Boom. I'm excited about this because I love Dr. Brandt's products, so this will be getting used. Alright, next on the list we have, hold this one. Hold it up so they can see it.
Brush.
Next we have the Moda 5-piece brush kit. Moda Pro takes Moda to the next level, and this line features superior quality filaments and modern professional shapes. Use this kit to create endless on-trend eye looks. Hold it up, baby, so they can see it. Right there, like that. And this retails for $27.95. I don't have any Moda brushes, so I'm excited to use these. They actually tell you what each brush is. You have a shade brush, a crease brush, detail, smudge, and line brush. Boom. Alright, next we have Hank & Henry. Hold it up. Hank & Henry Blickety Black Eyeliner. Introducing our latest addition to the Slick With It line of eye products. Our eyeliner is a vegan liquid formula that dries down to a satin matte finish. This formula is extremely long wearing and transfer resistant, which is perfect for those with hooded eyelids. This retails for $20. Boom. I don't have anything from Hank & Henry, so I'll be excited to try this out. Yes. Alright. Next is the $1 Billion Brow. The Microblade Effect Brow Pen. This brow pen mimics the look of actual brow hairs to get a great microblade effect without the blade. It can be used to define a very bold brow or creates natural looking brow hairs for a more subtle look. This long-lasting formula will last for an all-day look. This retails for $18. $18? Can you believe that? Alright, and last,
makeup.
Alright, this is the Violet Voss Essentials Eyeshadow Palette. Hold it right here, baby, so they can see your face. There you go. Violet Voss Essentials Eyeshadow Palette provides revamped essential shades and an equal number of breathtaking mattes and metallics so you can create the most fashion-forward neutral looks. The Essentials palette was designed for everyday use in a stunning mix of warm and cool tone shades for countless color combinations. Rethink essentials and effortlessly take your look from day to night. Achieve a soft glam or go bold with a pop of color. The choice is yours. This retails for $29. Let's show them what the colors are, baby. Look how pretty. That is very, very pretty.
Hey guys.
You see it? Alright. Alright everybody, that is everything that came in this month's BoxyCharm. Once again, it's called All Access. I wasn't happy with the last box. I want to say I'll give it a 5 out of 10 for the last month's box. This month I guess I'll give it about a 7. Yeah, because I really was hoping for that Tarte palette. I'm happy. I love BoxyCharm. Been with them for over a year now. I think almost 2 to be honest. But anyway, this is BoxyCharm. It's $21 a month plus tax. If you don't have it, you can click on my link in the description below and go ahead and sign up and start your BoxyCharm.
Wow.
Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Remember, beauty is ageless and you can do beauty on a budget. Bye everybody.